Hello and welcome to Schneider Electric Benalla. I'm Harry Doxey and I'm proud to have been the plant director for a little over a year. During my time here, I've experienced firsthand the Benalla team's continuing commitment to being at the forefront of excellence, innovation and sustainability in the manufacturing sector. We strive to improve our environmental impact, ensure employee safety and deliver high quality products. I will now hand you over to our team to step you through the rich history of the Benalla plant and the innovative solutions we're proud to locally design and manufacture for our customers. I look forward to working with you.
Hi, my name is Brian Teeling and I'm a proud member of Schneider Electric's Benalla factory. My role in the factory is as the Business Development Manager, focusing on promoting our locally manufactured electrification and digital solutions. The Benalla plant was first established in 1975 as the Asset Transformer Factory and was acquired by Schneider Electric in 1994. Since then, the factory has been developed into a modern kiosk assembly plant, with our on-site team responsible for every project from conception through to delivery. Schneider Electric is a major local employer with over 200 passionate team members. We proudly support the Benalla community by choosing local and Australian suppliers, supporting local events and clubs, and creating a real impact in the local environment. Our commitment to sustainability shines through our local initiatives, such as our recycling program, electrification of our forklift fleet, and substantial investments in solar power and electric car chargers on our sites, which are available for the public to use. With a strong demand for our products and a deep commitment to our region and employees, Schneider Electric has a bright future in Benalla. You can find our solutions right across the entire Pacific, with applications such as electrical distribution, defense, renewables, data centers, mining, just to name a few. We look forward to working with you and becoming your trusted partner in sustainability and efficiency.
We are excited to welcome to Schneider Electric Benalla, our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility for kiosk substations, located in the heart of Victoria, Australia. Here, we design and produce innovative kiosk solutions for both stepping down high voltage for customer supply and stepping up lower voltage for transmission. Each kiosk is engineered right here in Benalla by our dedicated on-site engineering team and tailored to meet diverse application needs. Our team of specialists can custom manufacture each kiosk to your specific requirements. For our data center customers, we know that safety and rapid deployment are key to your success. That's why we offer a seamless partnership to design, build, and deliver custom kiosks tailored to your project needs quickly and efficiently. With our local expertise, we ensure a fast and repeatable deployment process to get your project up and running as soon as possible. Each kiosk is equipped with a transformer and a combination of medium and low voltage switchboard and switchgear, all housed with a robust enclosure built to withstand Australia's toughest conditions. We continuously evolve our kiosk design and components to provide more efficient and environment-friendly solutions for our customers. One recent example is the introduction of the RM AirSet medium voltage switchgear. The main advantage is that it is insulated by pure air, eliminating the need of SF6, a potent greenhouse gas. These offer a much greener alternative for our customers, especially at the asset disposal stage. Additionally, RM AirSet achieves a maximum flexibility, retaining all functional units of a traditional SF6 switchgear, with the option of combining them freely based on individual needs and preference. Looking at our transformers, we provide the option of both dry and oil type based on your project specifications. All transformers are optimized for reliability, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. In addition, our transformers are fully compliant with Australia's minimum energy performance requirements, and we can also manufacture to high-efficiency performance requirements.
Our LV boards are designed to meet your specific project requirements, and you can be assured they are built to comply and certify with Australian and international LV standards. In addition, to ensure reliability in harsh environments, there is zero downtime tolerance and rapid restarting built in. For the kiosk's enclosure, we offer a variety of materials such as stainless steel or aluminium, depending on the application. We design the kiosk components and the enclosure to meet the requirements of the installation, environment, and to withstand any extreme conditions the kiosk may be required to operate in. At Schneider Electric, we are committed to enhancing the reliability, energy efficiency, and environmental performance of our customers. Our kiosks can be seamlessly integrated with digital, IoT-ready and automation-enabling devices such as the PowerLogic T300 RTU, MasterPact MTZ and the PowerLogic Protection Relays. Our IoT devices connect seamlessly to the cloud via Schneider Electric's EcoStruxure platform, enabling customers to monitor asset health and status remotely, quickly identify and respond to faults, and ultimately improve reliability. Our commitment to quality is unwavering. Each kiosk undergoes rigorous on-site testing by our dedicated testing and quality assurance teams, all to Australian standards. We also offer factory acceptance testing, both on-site and remotely, allowing our customers to witness the testing process and verify product performance firsthand. We look forward to working with you and becoming your trusted partner in sustainability and efficiency. To learn more about our innovative kiosk solutions, reach out to us today and discover how we can power your success.